Here's an MGB engine that suffered a sad fate. Somebody rebuilt this, and actually I had the chance to buy it, and I passed on it. And then I saw it for sale again, and I expressed interest in buying it, and the seller fortunately said, well, let me check to see if it didn't fill up with water, and lo and behold, in storage it had filled up with water. So it is stuck. And many years ago I endeavored to fill the cylinders with solvent and try to break it free, but so far no luck. So I flipped it over today. Even the dipstick is rusted pretty solidly in place. I noticed for the first time the camshaft looks great though. I don't know why it hasn't rusted, but I know these MG camshafts are pretty expensive, so if all I do is extract the camshaft from it, that would certainly be worthwhile. But I'd still like to somehow just get it to spin and bring it back to life without totally rebuilding it again, which of course could be done. Completely disassembling it and rebuilding it could be done, but to the extent that I can just bring it back to life with minimal disassembly, I'd still like to try. I'm noticing for the first time the oil pump, which went here, and the distributor, which is kind of coming out that side, are on separate axes and driven by separate gears off of the camshaft. I guess maybe everyone knew that except me. So I think what I'll do today is maybe take the connecting rod caps off and see if I can drive the pistons out and get everything else to spin. It did look to me previously, when I had these covers off of the side, that the lifters are pretty well rusted into the block. So that's going to be its own challenge to ever get those freed up. I don't know if there's some way I could rig up a pump and pump solvent through the oil passages and through the bearings. Or just let it be someone else's project, or return to nature. Well, we'll see in the next few moments here if I can get the pistons free. Thank you.